My name is Beverly Searle, and I'm a mental health consultant who has spent over 20 years as an independent researcher of the mind to research the mental health issues, especially those formed in childhood. As a former survivor of childhood adversity, I understand the frustrations to find help, the right help. As a result, I've developed a process called My Envisioned Mind, which allows you in a gentle and powerful way to get what you want out of life. And yes, this isn't your normal talking therapy that could last for years, as you know. And it is 100% possible for you and anyone else to apply the secrets. So to answer your question, can I improve my anorexia comeback? Yes, you can. Now that you have had therapy for a long time and you're making your way back to being a healthy person, free of the disorder. That's why I've created the wellness kits, not only to overcome anorexia, but to enhance your healing and to alleviate it for good. And My Envisioned Mind enhances any therapy or counselling you may have had. So I've produced a kit which you can do at home. In this kit, you have an introduction to the wellness kit. It covers the simple terms, how your mind works, and the reason why there's no extended talking. This is because My Envisioned Mind works in the part of the mind but does not have language. Strange it seems, doesn't it? But it's true. There's a part of your mind that only records in pictures. So it doesn't matter how much talking you do, it doesn't affect the pictures, which are stored there in the emotional seed of the brain, which affect you. So I explain all this in simple terms. So what you'll get is many videos covering all the steps of the My Envisioned Mind process. There's a workbook for you to record your process. Practically immediately, you'll start to feel calmer. And this means you're on the way to wellness. I provide email support. This includes ebooks and other small kits to understand, for you in your own home, to understand the mind-body connection. Also, if you do have any difficulties, there is a consultant on hand to answer any problems or misunderstandings you may have with email support, so it comes directly into your home. Thank you.